Hello everyone. What we have here is a picture of Kazaya. So to save time on this tutorial, I did a little cleanup in advance. I did some blemish removing, clean up the stray hairs and a little bit of the background. So let's go ahead and flatten the image. And we'll start by doing frequency separation. So this frequency separation, it still has the low and high layers of the color and texture, but it has an extra color layer to apply some skin softening. Basically, it just applies an extra layer using the filter, dust, and scratches. And so I was just going to go ahead and paint over the skin. I used the white brush to reveal on this layer mask. So just going to make sure I got all the skin. Get the arm. Other side. Get down here. About the eyes, the hairline. Now we're going to click on the actual layer. I'm going to select my mixer brush tool, and I'm going to start blending in the colors. So notice that my mixer brush tool, the wetness is at 30%, the load is at 30%, and the flow is also at 30%. The mix amount really doesn't matter because we're not missing the colors. We're just blending where colors meet to make the texture of the skin look a little bit smoother than what it is. Alright. Just gonna keep smoothing the skin. Get around the eyes. Nose. Chin. Neck. Just take your time. Just make sure you blend the skin. I'm going a bit faster than I would normally do, just so I'll make sure the video is short as possible. Blend in the arm, other side. Looks good. Before, after. Fix the cheekbone a little bit more. Okay. Before, after. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little contrast using my curves. So I have this preset already saved. All right. And I'm just going to lower my opacity of this contrast to around 40%. All right, looks good. Now let's go into levels. Oops, I meant to choose levels. So let's open the levels. All right, what I normally do, I normally start by bringing up some of my blacks. You can hold down the Option key just to make sure I'm not making everything too dark. Same thing with my whites. I'm gonna bring those up so you can really see the photo starting to come to life. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to find, what am I looking for? I'm looking for my photo filter. I want to fix my eyes. So what I'm going to do, the eyes look a little yellow. So I'm going to throw in a little coolness, and I'm going to invert this layer mask. Let's zoom in a bit. And I'm going to just reveal some white in my eye whites. I know it's looking really blue now. I've been wanting to fix the opacity. Okay, so bring down that a bit. Well, a good bit actually. Put that somewhere around a little bit less than 10%, or 3 actually. Okay, great. Now, let's see. Let's throw in a little bit of curves. Let's do some dodging and burning. So I'm going to use the curve methods for my dodge and burn. Just take that midpoint and push it up. Make that my dodge layer. Invert the mask. Alright, select curves again. Oops, not exposure, I need curves. So go back to the curves. This time we're going to take that middle point and pull it down. Okay. I'm going to call this my burn layer. Invert my mask. Alright, let's group them together. Call the photo dodge and burn. There we go. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dodge and burn. Let's group that together. Going to dodge and burn. So I'm going to go through my image, make my brights a little bit brighter, make my flow around 3%. Select my brush. I'm going to paint over my lights, my highlights, make them a bit brighter. Dodge and burn is pretty much where the magic happens. If you really want to see your photo transform, don't skip this step. A very important step. Bring out the lips and nose. Hair, a little bit of shirt. I know I'm all over the place, but I'm just wherever I see highlights, just want to make the highlights a little bit brighter. So this before and after, big difference. Let's do some burning. Notice that my brush is still pretty low. I'm at 3% of flow. Opacity is still at 100%. Darken the eyebrows, hairline. Looking good. Finish up the arm. Go back to the hair. opacity to, not my opacity, boost my flow to 5%. Go really dig in on these pupils. So this is not doing what I really want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint white into my pupils, both pupils. Okay. Make it a little bit darker than usual, well, a little bit brighter than usual. Then I'm gonna go to a blur and do a Gaussian blur. Okay. So just blur the pupil just enough, so you just cause a catch light on the eyes. All right, 6.6 looks good. So zoom out. I'm gonna lower the opacity till it looks just about right for me. All right, looks good around there. Looks good. So I like that. Let's bring it down a little bit more. There we go. Yeah. And so that's pretty much it. That's about all I went through. But let's just go do another adjustment. Let's add some vibrance to it. Boost these colors a lot. Okay. Oh, that didn't lock. Let me go back. Put my vibrance back. Let's roll my mouse. Looks good. All right, now it's a little oversaturated. So when I go to my hue saturation layer, I'm gonna change my master to my reds. I'm just gonna lower the saturation of my reds. Kind of fits the skin tone. Somewhere around minus 15, somewhere around there. 10. All right, that's good about there. And so, yeah, this photo looks good. This is about all I would do. All right, so let me just group this all together. Let me go back and show you the before and after. Let me copy this, paste it on top. This is my before, after. Big difference. Before again.